Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to cancel AliExpress order and get a refund. First, you will have to open AliExpress application on your phone, and once you open it on your phone, it will show you this home page right here, and you have to log in into your account. And after logging in, you will have to go on the bottom right corner right here and click on account. After that, it will show you this page. Now you have to choose my order section, then click on view all just right here. And after that, we'll show you this page and all of your orders will be displayed in this section right here. But here, as you can see, it shows me that there are no orders. So let's consider that I have an order. You can simply click on the order itself and it will show you all the details about the order. You can click on cancel order. And after that, you will get this message. It's asking you what is the reason for canceling this order. So you'll have to choose any one of these reasons. Then after that, you should click on submit. And after a couple of hours or a couple of days, an email will be sent to you. If the seller itself accepted the cancel order, then your money will be refunded. And if the seller didn't accept the cancel order, you can simply talk with the support of AliExpress. Then after that, they will solve your problem and you will be able to get your money also. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.